Morning rebooters, off on another collection today. Yeah, we've cleared the deck again. We're off to a company called Jaywing. They originally donated 122 Dell Optiplex 745s, small form factors, and they kick-started Project Reboot for us.
So it's their fault?
So we hold them in high regard, and they've got some more stuff for us. So we're going to go in the van today. So I'm going to try and get Dave, the van driver, to drive and get a wriggle on. So here we go. Try turning it off and on again. So we're just approaching Jaywing. They're at Peatmore Lagoon in the Arclight building. Been there for about 3-4 years now, I suppose, maybe 5. So we'll park up and see what's going on, Dave. The exit we want to park up is just down here. So Dave's just going to park up. I'm going to go up to reception and see a chap. See what's going on. Here we are. We're in the server room. They're all right down there. Dell Vostros. Dell Vostros. What are they? 270s or something, weren't they? I think. So they're going to go in the cages. Do you want to be on the video, Joe?
No.
No? Thanks. So let's load these up. Get them on the van. Brilliant. Right, we're loaded up, got the cages loaded, spreading the weight, 2 cages, get them back on the van. Here we go. Alright, so we're loading up, get this lot back to the workshop, get busy. Brilliant, thank you very much Jaywing, you're fantastic to us. Very, very grateful, as always. Right, we're back. So we've got a cages full of work to do now, Bernie, haven't we?
Some of us have.
Okay, so that's the unloading done. We've got 34 Dell Vostro. Not sure what they are, Bernie. What are they? So they got Windows 8 Pro stickers on there and USB 3 and HDMI outputs, VGA. The Dell Vostro 270S. Bernie. It says on the back.
Okay.
270S. Small form factor.
That means nothing for me.
Oh, we'll look at that up. Alright, so I've had to go to cnet.com. Dell website wouldn't tell me what it is. It's a Dell Vostro 270S, small form factor with an i3 3220 at 3.3 gigs, 4 gigs of RAM and a 500 gig hard drive. That's what we're expecting. Let's see what Bernie's doing. We also got some laptops. Not many laptops. We've got 4, I think. Let's see what we've got. We've got a Dell. What is it?
Right, I can tell you what the CPU is in this now.
Yeah, it's a Dell Latitude E5440.
Well used, because that's just taking the page straight off the top of the CPU, so I don't have to wipe it.
2 of those.
Find out what it is.
Core i5s in those. They look alright. This is a Dell Latitude E5430 with a key missing. Possible that's a Core i3. A Latitude 3440 with, what's this? i3 with all keys present and correct. So they'll be alright if they're working. Fix the keyboard on one of those. Again, take the hard drives out, log them on the database, get on with it.
On this side.
Right, Bernie has taken the box apart just to have a look to see what the CPU is. So it's a micro, is that a micro ATX or is that a mini ITX? Not sure. We'll have a look that up. So the CPU is, as you can see there, an i3 3220, 3rd gen. That's alright. Let's see where that is on Tom's hardware. So Tom's hardware 3220 is tier 11. There it is. That's alright. Got some good stuff here. We've got a tray full of hard drives now. Most of them are 500 gig Western Digital. So the next stage is to book these onto the database. So we're currently logging them onto the database. We're expecting to get 38 hard drives. Bernie is sat there reading out the numbers. So there we go. Right, yeah. 1004250. I'm running active kill disk and I've got the 4 laptop 2.5 inch drives wiping, and they've just started and they've got about another, well, 4 hours to go. So that will cook those and that'll be ready in the morning. Right, so the booking onto the database has been done. We've got 38 drives. So basically that concludes today's video, and hope you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our YouTube videos if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Cheerio!